taking up a lot of room. But that's a priority for me. I have a bathroom right behind the driver's seat. The hole is drilled, so there's no going back. Today, I believe Michael is going to work on the windows.
Taping up the windows so I can paint just like I did down there. Just reclomped all the windows, put them back in again.
So nice and airtight.
No leaks.
No leaks. Looking good. Very tedious work.
Tedious. Boring.
You have a whole another side to do.
Yep. About done with this.
One side of the bus windows caulked, replaced, and painted. Looking great. Just doing a little touch up, but there's the windows all finished. Blacked out around the windows. And he just finished the door, just doing a few touch-ups. And then we just have the middle section of the roof to do, and it's going to be kind of that khaki color, maybe just a little whiter than that. And we're actually going to roll that instead of spray paint it. So, and then we'll be putting the fantastic fan in that roof. Great job, Michael. We did have a little mishap yesterday. We went out for supplies, stopped for gas on the way home, and the brake line broke. The brake line broke, and we noticed that when we were back the bus into our driveway, there was something leaking, so now we have to replace that. But we plan on taking the bus for a full inspection of everything to make sure she's going to be nice and stable and run without any problems on our trips after we retire. There she is. Is it a she? I said, there she is.
I'd say it's a